Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to turn off Snapchat story notifications. It's a simple and easy process, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you are on Snapchat, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu. Okay, so once you are in the settings menu, tap on notifications. Once you are here, you have to scroll down and find friend stories section. Here you will see various settings for Snapchat. Look for the stories from friends option and toggle it off. This will turn off notifications for stories posted by your friends. If you want to customize your notifications further, you can explore other options in the notification settings. For instance, you can turn off notifications for friend suggestions, and the other way to turn off the story notifications is that you have to scroll down and you will see an option of Manage Story Notifications. Tap on it, and from here you can select the friends that you wanted to get notified from when they posted a story. And once done, tap on Done. Once you have adjusted your notification settings, you can return to the home screen. And that's it, you have successfully turned off Snapchat story notifications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.